many books are being kept like that. Out of all of them, you have to pick one book which is the most thickest and biggest. It will be a challenge. It takes some time to take out all the books, compare it with your eyes, see everything, observe, and then you get one book which seems to be the biggest and thickest. I hope you are all able to connect this to the real time scenario.
Yes, sir.
Is the example fine?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to
Yes, sir.
understand why we are discussing this problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please. This is most
Yes, sir.
important. And it seems to be simple, but in computer, for every problem which is given to us, we have to think in this way. Think in this way. That I'll talk about it a little later. Let's understand how do we solve it. Now, next we have to have a plan of action. Till now, you have just thought. Plan of action should be there. First thing, what I'm going to do. I'm going to separate all the books so that I can see on the floor only. You'll keep, you're thinking still, you have not done it yet. First thing is, you have noted what is needed, what is that I have to do. Second, more into the deep of the task. Okay, first thing, to get this answer, to arrange the books in the shelf, what I do is, there are a lot of books overlay one over the other, fell one over the other. So I will separate all of them and keep each book separately, right, on the floor, so that I can see all of them at once and try to guess which one is the thickest and thickest and bigger one. Right? Some people might think about, okay, while taking it up only, I will arrange few on the floor and take all the 3 or 4 to the shelf. That is a division of the problem into smaller stages. Finally, you are trying to solve books on the floor, trying to keep it on the shelf. Now, still in your brain, what you have done is first understood the problem. Second, you have designed a problem, designed a solution for it. What is that I am going to do? Now, third one is you really get onto the floor. You are going to take the book, start picking it up, arranging them first, one beside the other, checking which one is heavier in size. All these things you are going to do it. No more thinking. You are going to do it. Now, while you are doing it, that is your implementation. It is called implement your solution. Right? So you are going to pick the books from the floor, keep it in the shelf, everything you do. Now your shelf is arranged. You understood what was the task and the challenge, problem. You thought about what would be the good way to find a solution. Then you implemented it. And then finally, the shelf is with the books, it is arranged. And you are standing in front of the shelf and observing it now. That is nothing but solution. Have you got this slide, everybody?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, I want to ask you a question. The question is, tell me one such mathematical concept in which we are going to check in a reverse order whether our solution is right or wrong. One mathematical concept in which, see, you have given a problem, you have found, you have thought about how to solve the problem, you found a solution, you have got the answer, you have displayed, hence proved. Now you are going to re-verify it, whether that is right or wrong.
Quadratic equation, sir. Like substituting again to know whether it's right or not.
Quadratic equations. Can you elaborate?
Like after solving it, we'll get the answers of x and y, na, sir. So
Yes.
in order to rectify it's correct or not, we